gear, 190 miles to the east. Cornelia Marie Captain Phil Harris has spent the last 6 hours in bed. The setbacks keep piling up for the ailing skipper. Phil's lost a full week of fishing from $60,000 of mechanical fixes. A hurricane.
It's too rough, man. That's pretty much it till it comes down.
And now, possibly some broken ribs. While the restless crew awaits orders, in the captain's stateroom, Josh rebandages his dad.
I didn't think it was any big deal. I mean, until I came down and laid down. And when you try to take a breath, you know, it like shocks you, you know, you can feel it. I smoked 2 cigarettes since like 10 o'clock, because if I had to smoke, I had a cough. I couldn't go through it. Thank you, Josh.
Injured or not, with 34,000 pounds left to catch, Phil drags himself back to the wheel.
It's like hell. But, you know, what are you going to do? I mean, we're out here. We're in the middle of a trip. I got to get done with it, man.
I'm living off the edge of dirty water. Not everyone who gambles will survive. The ocean calls to me out across the Bering Sea. Oh, I pray I'm making it out alive. These boats are cutting through the ice and water. Waves are crashing out from
500 right there. 600.
It's a dangerous game. Only for yesterday. We're all gamblers off the North Pacific shore. It's a dangerous game to play.
The good news, Phil's averaging over 700 opies a pop.
We're all gamblers off the North Pacific shore.
The bad news,
So I spit into a paper towel, and it's like it's bleeding. And that's the last thing I need. How you doing? Open that case up and we'll see the bottle on it.
I'm a seeker.
Thanks.
Phil keeps his son in the dark about the blood.
Please don't say anything about kids. Why? Because I don't want them thinking about some other anything else than that. Or one of them will get hurt. My health right now is on the back burner. We got a lot to get done here, and these guys are all counting on it. Chances are this is nothing.